Hi everyone. Today we came forward with a beautiful and innovative topic. It's about high rise buildings in the world with beautiful examples. Let us start our journey. This is Sujata Sriram from Vishakhapatnam.
As per the technical definition, if any building is taller than 75 feet, it is usually considered as high rise. But nowadays, buildings with 50-60 floors are becoming common in many urban areas. And as we all know that the Burj Khalifa building with 163 floors in Dubai was considered as one of the tallest buildings. But nowadays, even more buildings have come much taller than the Burj Khalifa. As told earlier, the Burj Khalifa is 828 meters high, but nowadays some more buildings have come up which are much taller than Burj Khalifa. And many of the skyscrapers are there in China, followed by Dubai and other countries as shown in the slide. Even in India, the high-rise buildings construction is going in very fast pace. 15-16 years back, it is 60 floors are the common feature, but nowadays there are buildings coming up taller than 700 meters in India, as shown in the slide. There are some advantages with high-rise buildings, such as providing a good panoramic view, and also they will have good amenities like fitness centers, swimming pools, and rooftop gardens, etc. And since the high-rise buildings accommodate more people, they will be constructed in a good location, nearer to the good opportunities, job opportunities, and they will have safety and security measures. And as these buildings are high-rise, they will naturally have good ventilation and less noise pollution, and they also provide in good urban planning. Of course, there are some disadvantages with high-rise buildings, such as fast evacuation is difficult in emergency situations. And the price of the building will be high when compared to other constructions. Maintenance of the exterior is a challenge. Providing lifts, power, and water supply requires more resources, so it carries more cost. And the most difficult thing is repair works to carry out interior and exterior of the building, such as leaking of pipelines and maintenance of air conditioners and installing air conditioners, etc. As told earlier, the present scenario of high-rise buildings as of 2024, there are more than 77,000 skyscrapers in the world that are over the height of 150 meters, that is 492 feet tall. As shown in the plot, you can see that China is having a huge number of high-rise buildings, followed by United States of America and UAE. However, more high-rise buildings are coming up in the world, as shown in the slide. We would like to present some buildings which we visited during our visits abroad. We have visited Marina Bay in Singapore, which is having 57 floors, and we visited the Empire State Building having 102 floors, and there are many high-rise buildings in the New York Center, as shown in the slide. The Willis Tower in Chicago is having 110 floors, and it is also having a good sky deck view. And in addition to these high-rise buildings, we have also visited some tall structures like St. Louis Gateway Arch, and Statue of Liberty in the United States of America. We have also visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris and the Memorial in Washington DC, and we visited the Chicago skyline, some of the buildings along the waterway, and we visited some high-rise buildings in London, after which the London Sky Garden is a good attraction. In addition to these high-rise buildings, there are some beautiful mountain peaks in India which we thought will present in this slide, such as Shillong Peak and Ganesh Talk in Gangtok, Sikkim, Darjeeling View, Himalayan Viewpoint, Dadabetta Peak in Tamil Nadu, Ooty, and the Silk Route in Indo-China border, and Jalpela Viewpoint in Kalimpong. These are some of the examples which are very high viewpoints available in India. As told earlier, the increase in high-rise buildings in Indian cities reflect the rapid urbanization and growing population density in the urban areas, which are becoming more crowded. Hence, the vertical construction such as high-rise buildings are becoming a necessity for the job seekers and for easy commuting within the city limits. So this is about the high-rise buildings that we wanted to present in this show. Thank you very much.